Let's see how to make a cinemagraph with After Effects. So first of all, you need a still footage shot with a tripod. I imported this footage, so you can see that the camera is not moving at all. That's quite important. Alright, then what you want to do is to take this footage and pull it on the timeline and check which part of the animation you want to keep as a photo. So in this case, let's say I want this frame as a photo. I will activate the time remapping. So for that you go to Layer, Time, Enable Time Remapping. Okay. Now you see that you have two keyframes below the segment. The first keyframe is for the image at frame 0 and the last one, the last frame of your video. So if you want one of the picture as your final photo, you move the playhead there, mark a new keyframe and delete the starting and ending keyframe with time remapping. So now this layer is a still image. Below this layer you bring your video again, turn the visibility of the first layer and check what you want to keep as an animation. So in this example I'll take Muskan eyes watching at dash only. So this part. So starting here, yeah, just there, and bring the segment start here. Watching and back to normal. So I'll keep only this segment as part of my animation. And once I'm happy with what I keep, I bring the beginning of the segment at the beginning of the animation, just to make it simpler. Good. So that will be the length of my final animation for the cinemagraph. So with N, I bring the end of the animation here. So if I render this, it will play only what I want to keep. Once we have this, we turn back the first layer on. Select this first layer, and with the pen tool we decide what we want to keep and what we want to remove. So in this case I will keep only the eye to show through this fixed layer what is the animation behind. So I'm going very quickly making a mask here and there. Turn off the layer below, and obviously I want to keep what is around, what not inside. So I open this layer to see the masks, and these two masks, instead of adding, I will subtract. That way my final image will be the still image, and inside will be this animation, like that. Okay. Last thing I want to do to avoid having this mark showing the mask, I'm going to select the mask and add some feather around to blur the mask a bit. Maybe around 30 pixels should work. Yeah, much better here. Okay. Once that is done, you just have to render your final animation. And make sure the loop is working, which is the case here. Thank you.